The Independent Commission for Infrastructure has begun inspecting flood control projects in Quezon City, uncovering substandard work and even ghost projects. More in this report.
The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, conducted its first public inspection of flood control projects in Quezon City. ICI Chairperson and former Supreme Court Justice Andres Reyes Jr., former DPWH Secretary Babe Singson, Baguio City Mayor Benji Magalong, and SGV Managing Partner Rosana Fajardo were all present during the inspection. They visited 4 flood control sites, including Barangay Tatalon, where the Quezon City Department of Engineering found that no work had been done.
Parang you're out of words.
Unbelievable. They can be so bold, so comfortable na gumawa ng ganitong mga project.
Another project along a river had no clear start or end points, and construction was reportedly substandard, posing potential risk to residents in the event of another flood.
Yung span po ng San Juan River in Quezon City is around 4 kilometers. So yung nahati-hati po siya. Tapos hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung mga limits ng bawat isang phase.
Kalukuhan na yan. Chap-chap yan. Hindi naman obvious yan. Yung Blumentritt Interceptor, 3.3 kilometers, 3 phases lang.
Quezon City reportedly has 66 ghost flood control projects, according to Mayor Joy Belmonte, who submitted an independent audit report to the ICI and DPWH. Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon said the modus operandi mirrors questionable projects in Mindoro and La Union.
Yung patterns pareho, ganun din, walang mga plano, walang ni ha-ni-ho sa local government. Hindi kumuha ng building permit, kamukha din nung sa Mindoro, kamukha din nung sa Bulacan. So may nakikita tayong recurring pattern dito o modus.
For News 5, Gio Robles, we are One News.